Unquestionably, butterflies are among the most exquisite creatures on the planet. With their multicolored and gorgeous wings, you cannot deny how beautiful and eye-catching they are. There are over 17,500 different butterfly species that can be found worldwide. It is mesmerizing to observe these creatures fly around in search of flowers to feast on. There are butterflies of almost any imaginable size, color, and shape. So today, I'm going to tell you about 10 most beautiful butterflies in the world. 1. Starry Nightcracker. The starry nightcracker gets its name from its resemblance to a miniature representation of the night sky. It is black, like the nighttime sky, and has tiny blue specks which resemble stars. In addition to physical coloring, the forewings of females are striped with white. The word cracker comes from the cracking sound that the males make when they take off. This adorable flying insect has a wingspan of 2.7 inches. It is most common in the Caribbean, but it is also found in other parts of Central America and the South American Amazon jungle. It doesn't go to flowers to drink nectars, instead, it prefers to consume the fluids of rotting fruits. It is drawn to human perspiration as well. 2. Peacock Butterfly. The peacock butterfly is one of the most beautiful butterfly species in the world. The upper part of its wings is rusty red, that is bordered by either black or gray and has eye spots with a combination of the hues blue, white, red, yellow, and violet, while the underside of the wings is a mixture of black or brown. Its name comes from the eye spots that resemble those on peacock feathers. The eye spots act as a protective mechanism to ward off potential predators. When threatened, the peacock butterfly expands its wings, showing what appears to be eyes that resemble those of larger creatures. The brown-colored bottom serves as camouflage. The peacock butterfly prefers to lie down with its wings closed, exposing its brown underside, and blending in with brown vegetation like dried leaves and branches, as well as soil to prevent enemies from spotting this delicate creature. This species has another defense mechanism against predators, in addition to that. If its coloring defense fails, this butterfly makes a hissing noise by rubbing and flapping its wings, which scares predators and enables safe escape. Males and females have identical appearances, but only differ in size. The wingspan can reach 2.5 inches, and females tend to grow slightly larger than males. This butterfly can eat a range of foods. In addition to nectar, it also feeds on tree sap and rotten fruits. 3. Paper Kite Butterfly. The paper kite butterfly, also known as the rice paper butterfly, is the largest member of the milkweed butterfly family. It has a wingspan of 4.7 to 5.5 inches. It is commonly hailed in the lowland rainforests, gardens, and coastal mangrove forests of the Malaysian Peninsula, Sumatra in Indonesia, Borneo, the Philippines, and Taiwan. This translucent butterfly gets its name from its leisurely flight, like a drifting paper catches in the air, and its resemblance to a kite constructed from a black and white newspaper page. Its coloration serves as a warning to predators that it is poisonous to consume, and the way it flies allows it to more fully display its coloring. 4. Queen Alexandra's Birdwing. With a wingspan of nearly 12 inches, the Queen Alexandra's birdwing is widely regarded as the largest butterfly species on Earth. It is endemic to the lowland rainforests of Papua New Guinea. This species shows sexual dimorphism, which means males and females are distinguishable. In comparison to males, females are larger, have wider, more rounded wings, and are brown in color with patches of white, whilst males are more vividly colored, with blues, yellows, and greens that are encircled by black lines. Both sexes have red hair covering their thorax. Because of its beauty, sadly, it is in danger of extinction due to overcollection. 5. Rajah Brooke's Birdwing. The Rajah Brooke's birdwing is the national butterfly of Malaysia. Additionally, Borneo, Thailand, Myanmar, and Indonesia are home to it. This insect is huge, measuring 5.9 to 6.7 inches in wingspan. Males are black with thorax that is coated in red hair, and their wings bear green, tooth-shaped patterns. Females, however, have wings that are totally brown with white patterns. 6. Clipper Butterfly. The clipper butterflies are a type of fast-flying butterfly found in Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Borneo, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. The upper wings of the butterfly are mostly black with patterned dots and stripes, the forewings have noticeable white spots. Similar markings can be seen on the underside, although it is paler. There are more than 25 subspecies of clipper butterflies, and depending on the geographic area in which they are distributed, the wings are tinted with different hues, from green to blue to brown to yellow. The average wingspan of clipper butterflies is 3.5 inches. Because they are cold-blooded, they prefer to rest in a place with natural heat, such as sunlight, to warm their bodies. When their temperature is too low, they are unable to fly or feed. They prefer tiny flowers, and lantana plants are their first choice for nectar sources. They also have been observed mud puddling, in order to drink mineral-rich water accumulated on the soil. 7. 88 Butterfly. Diathrea anna, or Anna's 88 butterfly, is a species that thrives in wet tropical forests in Middle America. Sometimes it is found in southern Texas, but that is very rare. Their name stems from the appearance of their wings. The unique pattern that they have makes them one of the most beautiful butterflies in the world. The underside of the forewings is red, which is followed by a broad black band and white tips. The underside of the wings is white with a line that forms the outline of the number 88. Their caterpillars feed on tropical plants, while adults feed on rotting fruit. This species is not endangered, but it has always been very rare. 8. Chupa Leche Butterfly. One of the largest butterflies in Europe and extremely rare, due to their habitats shrinking, the Chupa Leche butterfly is a work of art. Their females are able to reach a wingspan of 55 to 75 millimeters, while males are slightly smaller. Their wings have a bright yellow or yellowish-white background with black bands, which stand out. Their hinds wings also have large blue patterns and a very striking tail. While their patterns are different as the butterfly grows and ages, every specimen is strikingly beautiful. 9. Emerald Swallowtail Butterfly. No doubt that this is one of the most beautiful butterflies in the world. The name stems from the color and pattern of its wings, that resemble a swallow. Truly beautiful and unique, this butterfly is native to Asia. The emerald swallowtail butterfly has a wingspan of 3.1 to 3.9 inches. Its wings are dark green to black, with emerald green metallic bands. However, the underside of the emerald swallowtail butterfly is black with orange, white, and blue spots along the edges of the hindwings. Quite a combination of colors. This beautiful butterfly species can be seen in most of Indochina and the Philippines. 10. Monarch Butterfly. One of the most easily recognizable butterflies in the world, but also undeniably beautiful. The monarch butterfly's wings have the upper siding of orange color with black veins and white spots. The underside of the wings is very similar. However, it's browner in color instead of orange. This butterfly is found almost everywhere in the world. It is common, but that doesn't mean that it is not very pretty. It can be found in Canada, throughout the States, and also in New Zealand and Australia, Portugal, Spain, and North Africa. It has a wingspan that ranges from 3 to 4 inches. These species are also very speedy for butterflies. They can reach a flight speed of 5.5 miles per hour. So, butterflies are not only beautiful, but they are also essential to our habitat. Butterflies have intrinsic value. They are a part of life on Earth and an important component of its diversity. Butterflies have been around for more than 150 million years, so we should take great care not to lose them now.